It is time for a multi-card review from the 90s. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, welcome back to the YouTube channel. And in today's video we are going to talk about once again the multi-game card from the 90s. 1996 to be exactly. This is the Super, not a Super, but a Super Value Select with an horrible label. 72 in 1, smaller collection, so I'm hoping we are getting some better games. Comes with a pretty damn knockoff shell, it weighs almost nothing, so there's not a big heavy old school PCB board inside. This is what we're going to get. A little shout out to Judith, the multi-card collector. I will drop a link in the Instagram. She is the biggest collector in the Netherlands. She helping me out with sending me some cards to review or borrowing. I don't want to have it. I'm not a collector of multi-cards. She is the multi-card collector. And I am the Wicked Gamer and Collector. So there's a difference. Alright, let's play some games. It is time for the 72 in 1 multi-card review. No, just kidding. Already did that part. Alright, this is the first card that I have. This is the first card that I didn't need to clean. Wow. That's what I call magic. Alright, seriously, if I'm looking to this menu, how many games are on this one? It's 3 games or something like that. Excited games. Wow. I think this is going to get in my top 10 worst multi-game cards. Seriously, this is horrible. There are not even 20 games or 10 games on it. Zippy Race. So to be honest, I think we are quickly done with this multi-game card. There was not many not very good games, and what are they doing? They want to kill me. They want to run me over. Zippy Race. But this is serious bullocks. Seriously, this is big bullocks. There are only a couple of games on it. I have never seen it before. Even the 1201 games have way more games. Way more games. Okay, reset. F1 race. Zippy Race. We have F1 race. Can't remember that I have played this game in the past. They're all racing games. And they called it the Super Value Select 72 in 1 from 1996. Wow. That is a piece of crap. Basic race game. Alright, what do we have more? Oh, now we have Sega Story, Mario, Sky Destroyer, Mappy. Excited Bike is over here. No, it's 8 to 1. Yeah. We have Mappy. Sky Destroyer. Alright. Oh wait, I can remember this game. I've played it in the past. But nevertheless, it's still a small collection. It's still a freaking small collection. Maros. I think this is it's not Mario. It's more Macross. Yeah, right. I have seen enough. I have seen enough. This is a really classic one. Oh man, I played this game a lot as a child. Oh, grip. Oh, grip. Oh, that was lucky. That was really lucky. Get the bidding. Oh, grab. I would thought it was the last one. Oh, there it is. There it is. Need to get the last one. Yeah. Alright people, this is where we're going to get 7201. I must say I am big disappointed in this card. I was thinking, yeah, lower numbers, it means you get more quality games. But no, it's just like the label, it's a little bit rip-off. Maybe back in the day we have some good games like Mappy and all the other games, but nevertheless, it's a very bad collection. It's a bit messy with all the names and all the extra text. And so this is what we're going to get. Let me know what you think of this. Really love to know. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell because you get notification when I'm launching a new wicked video. And if you're into gaming, check out the gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.